Land with a whole bunch of my cars here, and I have a crazy idea, so I'm going to do it. So I'm taking a break from working on the house for a minute, and hopefully this will work because it'll be hilarious if it is. So I've been hanging out with some other people, working on their stuff. It's been fun, and we've been having fun with their cars, and we were messing around with this BMW. And we were just ripping it and revving it and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. So I thought it'd be funny to go through every one of my cars that runs. So I got a battery, jump cables. I'm gonna try to start them up, and I'm going to redline them. I'm gonna wide open throttle them for you guys. And hopefully this clip will have different tones. I can make something out of it. So enjoy these clips. Welcome to the Wide Open Throttle Garage channel. And hopefully you enjoy what we have. And if you do, again, like and subscribe. Again, thanks for all my subscribers, people that tuned in, different people that comment and like and use and share my videos. I've had more people lately talk about the WRX EJ205 swap, as well as the VTEC head swap, kind of DIY series that I've done back in the past when the channel was starting. So it's cool to help out those guys and to give them feedback, to get videos back, clips and stuff of people that who have done it from my helping them through YouTube, and them able to do it in their own garage and fix the cars and get things together. And that's the whole point of why I do YouTube,